We need to be a little bit more united and respectful of the beliefs of our individual people. And to walk in beauty, you cannot hate, you cannot say negative things about other people, involve yourselves with things that are based on animosity or things that have happened in the past. Among our Diné, there are teachings about how we treat other people and how we respect other people's opinion and other people's perspective and their perceptions of life. And one of the things that we are told is, in the language of our people, is which is to translate to say that we should never ever ridicule or mock other people's beliefs and their perceptions. If we do, we will cause problems for ourselves. And it's like the word means like if you were cutting down a tree and you chop down at the bottom and you make the tree fall on you rather than falling away from you. So when you talk about other people's belief and other people's perceptions of things, you can cause yourself some serious harm. And it is that that's the way it is with the beliefs, the various beliefs of our people, the Diné, today. And one of those subjects, of course, is the religion. Various religion are on the reservation. And the very first ones, of course, were the Franciscans when they came with the Spaniards and came up into this part of the continent along the Rio Grande. They tried to convert a lot of the native people in that. And the Franciscans, of course, ridiculed the beliefs of the people that they came in contact with. And so there is a revolt that took place among the Pueblo people where they tried to kill off all of the Catholic priests and that had come among them. But that's their own teachings on that. But the Diné, on the Navajo reservation, there are all kinds of different people in that have come and taught the Diné their religion. And some of them to this day have become Catholic, Baptists, Episcopalians, Mormons, and so on. But every family has some way of believing. And the most recent form of belief that has come among the Native people is the Native American Church, which is the use of peyote, the drug, and that is regarded as a Native American church. So there are many other churches in that, of course, that come into the Diné Nation. And our people, the Diné, join these different religious organizations. And so the teaching of our people to say that we never ridicule or mock or make fun of other people's belief is very important. We all perceive things in very different ways. And so it is that when you do not mock other people's beliefs in that, you understand that you're respecting the way that they have perceived things and their perception. It goes back to the teachings of the five-fingered being that we are. On the fingertips are the spirals. These are our individual markings. All of the fingerprints of various people are similar, but they're not identical. So it is with our beliefs and with our perceptions. And so the teaching of our people is that whatever people believe, let them believe it. Let them practice what they believe and have their relationship with their deity as they see fit and as they understand that being. So you never ever make fun of other people's beliefs or ridicule their beliefs. It is their private perception and their private belief, and it is good in many ways that they believe in something, that they have doctrine and that they can apply in their life. And there are many stories of how people have encountered various religious organizations. And my personal belief is that it is good. It's very important to believe in something, and it's very important to have a relationship with your deity. I have friends on that have lived lives that were not very good, and then when they became affiliated with some religious organization that they straightened out their lives, and now they are good members of the community, and they support their families, and they do things in a civil way, and they are a credit to society. And so it is that sometimes I donate a collection plate if it comes around. I like to put something in them to help their ministry. I have a lot of respect for the way people believe, and I appreciate it. And I understand this from the teachings of our people. The never eat, which is that you never ever ridicule or make fun of other people's belief. In modern times, there are a lot of different elements from outside the Navajo Nation or the Indian nations and that, where people are ridiculing Christianity and the beliefs of native people that take up Christianity. And it is not sometimes, other than outside of Christian belief, it's hatred and a bunch of negative things and that are imposed on that native people. We need to be a little bit more united and respectful of the beliefs of our individual people. And in the future, hopefully, that we can understand that we cannot be a one united people if we continue to divide ourselves because of our beliefs and our perceptions. When you recognize that perceptions and that are very important, it is a way to walk in beauty. What you perceive and what you have observed throughout your life, these are the things that make up your beliefs and your perceptions. And to walk in beauty, you cannot hate, you cannot say negative things about other people, involve yourselves with things that are based on animosity or things that have happened in the past that we had no control over. Today we have control of whatever happens and what will happen. So it is that our responsibility as a five-fingered being is to respect other people's beliefs and other people's perceptions. And those are the things that we are told.